Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the LG WT7405CV. An excellent top-loader washing machine with its large capacity, powerful cleaning, and high-tech capabilities. Let's see if this is the right washing machine for you. The LG WT7405CV is a top-loader washing machine with a 5.3 cubic feet drum capacity, providing plenty of space for big loads or large items. It's externally similar to the WT400CV, but the main difference lies in the technology used. The WT7405CV features Turbo Wash 3D and a 4-way agitator to help clean off stains effectively. The washing machine has a large door that flips open, making it easy to load and unload laundry. The detergent drawer is conveniently placed at the back and is easily accessible for adding laundry liquid and softener. If you need to use bleach, there's a dedicated holder at the front of the machine. There's a simple cycle dial that allows you to select the washing type, covering main cycles like normal, heavy duty, deep wash, waterproof, delicats, and bedding. The LG Think app provides additional cycles, remote start, and remote diagnostics, enhancing the user experience. I put the LG WT7405CV through my normal tests. The normal cycle with warm water showed excellent spin efficiency, with clothes gaining only 34.93% in weight, indicating quick drying. Wash performance was good, with most stains effectively removed. Moving to the heavy-duty wash, running costs increased slightly, but stain removal was impressive, leaving only a faint outline of the ketchup stain. The normal cold test performed similarly to the warm test in terms of stain removal, and running costs dropped, making it a great choice for lightly soiled items. In conclusion, the LG WT7405CV is an advanced, powerful washing machine capable of cleaning well at low temperatures. Its large capacity and high-tech features make it an excellent choice for those looking for a top-loader washing machine. However, the only thing to consider is that LG sells a similar model, the WT7400CV, with a slightly larger drum capacity for the same price and running costs. Depending on your needs, the WT7400CV might be a better choice. That's it for our review of the LG WT7405CV washing machine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tech reviews on Product Critique.